Welcome to the future. AI is revolutionizing our world, and it's not just for tech experts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and learning how you can harness its power. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, this video is for you. So, buckle up because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to start your AI journey. Alright, let's start with the basics. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is all about creating machines that can think and learn like humans. But how does it actually work? It all comes down to something called machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI where machines improve their performance by learning from data. Think of it like teaching a child to recognize a cat. You show them hundreds of pictures of cats, and eventually, they get it. The more data, the better they learn. This is called training the model. But it's not just about recognizing cats. AI is everywhere. Ever wondered how Netflix knows what you want to watch next? Or how your voice assistant understands you? It's all thanks to AI learning from massive amounts of data to predict what you might like or understand your commands. Let's make this fun. Quick quiz time. What type of AI helps your email filter out spam? Is it A, supervised learning, B, unsupervised learning, or C, reinforcement learning? Think you know the answer? It's A, supervised learning. Your email provider trains a model using labeled data emails marked as spam or not spam. Now let's get a bit deeper. At the heart of many AI systems are neural networks, inspired by the human brain. These networks consist of layers of neurons or nodes that process data. When we stack many layers together, we get deep learning. This technique powers some of the most advanced AI applications like natural language processing and image recognition. Wondering how you can get started? There are incredible tools out there. TensorFlow and PyTorch are two popular frameworks that make it easier to build and train your own AI models. And you don't need to be a coding genius to start. There are plenty of beginner-friendly tutorials online. Ready for a hands-on project? How about creating a basic image classifier? With just a few lines of code, you can teach your computer to recognize objects in photos. It's a perfect starter project to understand the fundamentals of AI and machine learning. So whether you want to build the next smart assistant, develop groundbreaking medical diagnostics, or simply understand the technology shaping our future, AI learning is your gateway. Dive in, explore, and start creating. The future is in your hands. If you enjoyed this video and want more exciting content on AI, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments what AI topics you want to learn about next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay curious and keep learning.